Hi, welcome to the YouTube Hop celebrating Janie's 20,000 subscribers. There are a lot of prizes to be won on this hop. Here are some of our awesome sponsors. Many thanks to the sponsors who are part of this hop. I'm part of this hop with 9 of us, and there will be a link to the next person in the lineup at the top of my description box. My focus is on creating cards and card backgrounds with Decofoil Duo Gel and Decofoil regular gel. Um, Janie has a lot of videos about using these products and using the Duo Gel especially, where you don't have to use a laminator to be able to use the Decofoil products, but I'm going to show you some panels that I've created using both the laminator and the die cutting machine, which is the Sizzix Sidekick. So what you see here, I have put together a panel using the Duo Gel, which can be used with hot or cold. So you can use it in your die cutting machine or you can use it in your laminator or mink machine. I'm using H&H Sign Supply foil. You get 12 by 25 foot roll, which is a lot of foil and it'll go a long way. It's a really good deal for as much ribbon, foil as you get. That's where I get my foil from. I'll have a link below to that as well as the other products that I'm using in my video. The best part of using the foil is the reveal whenever you get to pull the foil off and see all that sparkly, splendid fun. I like how this turned out. I think the foil is gorgeous and the duo worked out fine. There was a couple spots that were kind of rough looking, but I would still use this for a card panel. Over to your left, you have I have a black panel that I'm going to use. This is a duo. I use duo gel. And I have this beautiful gold foil with stars and sparkles on it, again from H&H Sign and Supplies. And I'm going to again run it through my die cutting machine. I have a Sizzix Big Shot Sidekick. I forget what it's called, but it's just the kind that you crank with your hand. I do have a Gemini Junior, but I didn't want to use that in this video because I was trying to follow the manufacturer's directions. I did put it inside of a 110-pound, basically it acts as a shim that helps to press the pressure down. Here we go. Let's look at the reveal. How beautiful was that? That turned out lovely. I would definitely use that on a card. There's a little bit of foil overfoiling, but I think it's mostly because of the stencil, not because of the product. This is gold shimmer paper or metallic paper, and Janie had a video where she used this and she used the flock. So I have some deco foil flock, which is a velvety sort of fabric paper that you can put right on top of your paper, and you can run this right through your die cutting machine. So I did that. Now I'm going to peel it off and let's have a look at it. I think it turned out really nice. I would definitely use that on a card panel. And it feels so cool. And also the waist is very interesting looking too, almost like a snow scene. This is another one that was done with the Duo Gel. And by the way, the one that I just showed you with the flock is a Picket Fence Studio stencil. I will have all the stencils listed below. This one is a Colorful Life Designs stencil damask. Okay, so like I said, I'll have that listed below. Now, Janie really likes pink. That's her favorite color. So I'm going to make this with this hot pink flock. And I think it's going to be really pretty. And then hopefully I'll be able to make a card with it. And I use this light blue metallic paper. So it's got like a shimmer to it. That really turned out perfect. I have no complaints with how that turned out. Here we have a stencil from Altenew. It's a really detailed stencil. I think it's called Sunburst. Like I said, I'll have everything listed below. And I'm going to use some of my H&H foil. This is called, it's a shifter. So basically it color shifts. If you look at it in a certain light, it looks green. If you look at it in another certain light, it looks purple, depending on how you shift your paper. That's why they call it the color shift. Okay, we're going to run this through the Big Shot after we put it on top of our panel here and peel the reveal. I think this one I was the most disappointed in. It was kind of grungy looking. I don't know if it's because the paper is a metallic shimmer paper. I'm not really sure. But when I use the same over um, with my laminator, my Mink, I don't have that kind of result. It comes out very nice. These are panels that I sprayed with E6000, and you can use this to foil with. Once you spray it and it dries, you can run it through your Mink machine, and then you can use real sparkly foils to then die cut your sentiments or your die cuts with. So I have the words amazing and fabulous, and I'm going to run these through my Gemini Junior. And I think it's going to make a nice, bright sentiment for Janie's card. So the Gemini Junior has a series of different plates that you have to use, just like any other die cutting machine. And it takes it like a sandwich and it runs it right through the machine without any cranking. It's fantastic. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Take off the washi tape and peel back the letters. I have to use my pokey tool to get the while I'm doing this, let me tell you a little bit more about the hop. Some prizes are available internationally and some are for the United States only. So please mention where you are from in your comments so we can get you into the right drawings. And to be entered into the giveaways, you must be 18 years or older, a subscriber of our channels, and leave a comment on each of our videos. If you think you might have missed someone's video, you can click on the hashtag Janie the Craft Princess 20K giveaway and it will take you to all of the videos in this hop. And you can visit Crafters Castle on Facebook for the entire lineup and all the details. You must leave your comments by Sunday, August 16th, 2020, and the winners will be announced on Friday, August 21st on Janie's channel. Also, there might be prizes given away on the individual channels of those participating in this hop, so pay attention as you watch the videos. You will find all the details below in the description box. So thank you very much to Janie for inviting me to participate in this hop. There's only 9 of us that are part of it, so it's a small hop, but there are a lot of great prizes that are available and it's to help recognize Janie and all her hard work. She's the coordinator of the Crafters Castle design team, which I am a member of, and she puts a lot of work into the blog and the challenges, and we appreciate all that she does. Okay, here are some cards that I did with my Mink, and take a look at that. If you look at that, you'll see that it does color shift. And this is me foiling the waist. So look at that color shift. That's a beautiful foil. Those turned out really nice. I did flock on my Mink machine and I couldn't get it to work. So then I turned my heat setting down to low and I used this real pretty pink and I think that turned out really nice. I was really pleased with that. And that's the one that I did with the Duo Gel. This is the one from the Duo Gel. This is the one from the Mink. It is more smooth than the one I did with the Duo Gel, more crisp and clear. So let's go ahead and make a card. Here are some of the things that I foiled on my Mink. We've got a mermaid, we've got some butterflies, some sentiments, a dragonfly, the words amazing and fabulous, the word hello, and I wanted to let you know that I will also have a prize on my channel. And to be eligible, you would need to comment and subscribe to my channel. You must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident, and what you need to do is comment by Sunday, August 16th, and I will pick a winner on Friday, August 21st on my channel. So don't forget to check out all of the other people that are participating in the hop. Make sure that you comment on all the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then you will be entered to win some of the fantastic prizes that are available. Um, we have a description box here below. You can look for the details and get more information as far as exactly what the prizes are and who the sponsors are. Again, many thanks to the sponsors for their generous support of this hop. All right, so I picked a hot pink background. I thought it just looked very nice with this black, and I am going to adhere this to the panel. I hope this isn't too much pink for you, Janie. I know you like pink. And then I have this butterfly that has the background and the cutout on top, which is a real pretty blue. I used a pretty blue foil. And then for the word fabulous, I'm going to take the waist of the flock and I'm going to cut out a banner that I could put this word on. Fabulous. So what a fabulous channel that Janie has, and she gives fabulous ideas on her channel, fabulous money saving ideas, and she's super creative and has a lot of tips and tricks that I have found to be extremely useful. I enjoy being on the design team and creating along with the team through the Crafters Castle Challenge blog. If you're not familiar with the Crafters Castle Challenge blog, I'll have it listed below. It is a monthly challenge that is open internationally. I decided to put two pieces of this cardstock together just to give a little bit of dimension to the front of the card panel. The butterfly does provide dimension as well. I just had some problems with my glue. Because this flock is kind of thin, I didn't want my glue to be really thick. I didn't want it to get bumpy or to warp. Okay, we're going to then get these iCraft sticky dots to adhere the sentiment. I find that these are easier for me to use than trying to glue the sentiment. I'll definitely make sure to link these below in my description box. They're basically adhesive film. And oh, I wanted to show you too that I used the toner foil sheets to cut out my dragonfly and my butterfly. Okay, so you just peel off at the top, and this is where you start your sticky dots, and you can use the entire page. So if you had a larger image, you could peel back further. but I just needed to get a little bit of that sticky so that I could put down the word fabulous. And my card's almost done. I just have to glue our sentiment to our card panel. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about foiling. If you have any other things that you want to learn about foiling, I would encourage you to check out Janie's channel, Craft Princess. She's got a whole playlist dedicated to using foil without the Mink machine or without the laminator. Again, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this card making session. Have a hopeful day. Bye bye.